everybody had a great weekend. And right now I'm going to talk about PIXY, P-I-X-Y. PIXY was a great stock Friday. And I just can't say so much about it. It really ran up nice. It pulled back after hours, fell right into support, bounced right back up. We called this at $4. Another guy in the room, Geo. And you can see right here where it consolidated in that $4 area. It was just a beautiful sight to partake in. And I'm going to circle that right in here. And we hit that little low support right here, about 403, and we were saying, get ready, it's going to bounce. It bounced right off that VWAP, the purple line right there, so it bounced right up. I sold it a little bit under 5. I waited for the pullback. After hours, I kept a good eye on it. Then I got back in it again and sold it again. Made, not much, but I bought just a few 200 shares of it. Still yet, I made 40 cents on it. And so, yeah, I'm going to keep PIXY on watch, and I'm going to show you something about PIXY here. It had great news. Earnings doubled, which was, the share loss, it helped the loss per share, which was another good thing compared to last year, but the sales doubled on it. They also spent more money, too, and hired more employees. So let's keep PIXY on watch, and I'm going to show you a year's chart, and I'm going to try to draw you up some resistances here on the year's chart. I do believe it can pull back. It is kind of dump a little bit because people will get into it, on a jump like that from say down here to where that 200-day SMA was. It jumped all the way up to 540. 537, somewhere around there, with a high, pulled back, and it was just beautiful trade. So I'm going to draw a couple of resistance right here, and where I see a resistance right now would be right around this area of 494. You see where them candles kind of line up right there. And then if it takes off, which I think it will, because the momentum should carry through, it's getting good news, and the conference was good, and the mention of Walmart, and the mention of Amazon, and the mention of a pizza company, it should bring this stock back up some more. I'm hoping Monday. We just have to see the volume and price action. It'll definitely be a momentum play. If it pulls back, I do believe it will bounce back up for a correction. So, and then on my next resistance here will be around 578. This is on PIXY, P-I-X-Y. This is a year's chart. And then that's how I find my resistances. Once it has a breakout from the previous high, which was around 467, that's about where it closed at. And I've seen it went up after hours a little bit. So I'm going to put another resistance line right here on this candle base right here and these other two candles. So this is how I try to find resistance. And if it passes resistance on a year's chart, I'll go to a 3 years chart and see what we can find. And I see one more, maybe a resistance right in here in this level. So I'm going to take this lower candle right here. And that's at 666. So I'm just going to draw these trend lines right now, but we could run up, if this thing catches some steam, it can run up to 769 on up. But with this kind of bounce, you got to kind of take in consideration that it can pull back, and it probably will pull back once the volume slows down on it. People will get a little nervous and want to get out. But then when it consolidates at a certain area, you could probably see a bounce from it, and you could make you 20-40 cents on it again. So let's keep PIXY on watch, P-I-X-Y, and I want to wish everybody a great day this coming week, especially. I'm on Stock Twits and I'm on Twitter. I've got the links posted below my video here. Also, if you have anybody that you want to share these videos with, just Go right ahead and do that. Keep it fresh, keep it simple, and keep it clean. And this is Washboard Jim, and have a great day.